Then if you see the economic importance of pteridophyta group of plants, some members are useful for decoration purpose or which are grown as a ornamental plants like Selaginella, which is useful for decoration in the festive seasons and in other purposes. And apart from that one, other example is Lycopodium, which is useful for the florists. And some of the members are soil binders, which will protect the soil from the erosion by fixing the soil with the help of the root system. Some of the plants are in the form of fossils to form the coal deposits. That is, fossil remains of some of the pteridophyta plants will be converted into the fossil fuels or the coals, which are useful for making the other forms of the fuels. Then next one, some of the members like Equisetum, it is useful for the accumulation of the minerals. And used as an indicator of minerals in the soil. And some of them are used as a anti-helminthic purpose. That is, the rhizome of the Dryopteris species is used as a anti-helminthic one. And some of the plants like Azolla, here Azolla is an aquatic plant in which the Anabina azolla is surviving in the form of a symbiotic association. That is the reason why it is used as a biofertilizer, particularly in the rice fields. So these are some of the economic importances related to some of the members of pteridophyta group of plants.